When I was a teenager, I would look at myself in the mirror and I would see people with braces. And I would ask my mom, how come I never got braces? I have family members that have a gap like I do. And I asked my mom one day, well, can I go ask the dentist if I could get braces? And so my mom made an appointment and we talked to the dentist, and the dentist told me that braces he could do, but eventually the gap would reopen. So when I heard that, I just completely lost hope in closing my gap.
I asked Veronica why she wasn't smiling. It looked like she wasn't happy about her gap. And then when I noticed that, I said, would you like to close the space between your teeth? And she said yes. How could it be done? And she was so disappointed from all the previous consultations she's had, and she had given up hope.
I heard about cosmetic dentistry because I had a friend of mine who had her teeth whitened, and I also wanted to make an appointment. So I made an appointment with Dr. Simon. And Dr. Simon, right off the bat, he asked me if I ever thought about closing my gap. And I just said, yes, of course, I've always thought of that. And I told him about the whole dentist that told me about the braces, and he introduced me to veneers, that I can actually have those on and how it would affect my life dramatically later.
Veronica was always a very happy girl, but she didn't show it. Because when you don't smile, people think that you're a grouch, and you're not confident about yourself. You walk into a crowd and why isn't this girl smiling? And behind all that beauty, there is something that's hiding, and that's something that needs to come out.
When I started working, there's all that customer service that you have to do. You have to smile, say hi. Even now, it's not so much customer service that I work with, but I do have clients that I do see, and I see them very often. And sometimes I don't feel like smiling because of that fear or like self-esteem issue about smiling and showing my teeth to them.
In customer service, you have to be jovial, you have to be happy, you have to smile, and that's something she wasn't doing.
I can't wait to smile to the fullest. I think that's the only thing really missing is this little piece of confidence. I just need it to be out there and look beautiful. And I dress up, do my hair, do my makeup to the best. And sometimes you just have the best hair days, the best makeup days. You have the perfect outfit. You look in the mirror and you see your smile. And it's not the best in the world. I mean, just waiting, and I can't wait to actually have this procedure done because I know I'll be able to go out there and I know that I'm fully dressed.
Veronica needed that extra boost. She needed that extra confidence. She got ready. She said herself, she could look in front of the mirror, she would put her makeup on, and something was always missing, and that's what we had to fill. That's the space we had to fill. So you know what we're doing today, Veronica?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna make you even more beautiful. See, you have a beautiful smile, just like we discussed. That you have very nice lips. All you need to do is just put a nice smile right there, and that's gonna dress up the whole thing, just like you told me. We're gonna close the space. We're gonna reshape these teeth. We're gonna just make them slightly longer, okay? And we're gonna make sure that we take the smile to the corner of the lips. We're going to make sure that the gum line has a nice flow to it, that everything is nice and straight, okay? And when I'm done, you're going to have a set of nice, white, beautiful teeth. And we're going to make them slightly longer. That's going to make your face look a little bit wider. Okay, we can magically do some illusions to the face just by changing the shape of the teeth. And I'm going to show you when we do the before and after pictures. Okay, ready to go? Let's do it.
I cried actually the first time that I saw, myself, and then after that it was like a completely different person. Every time I would put on my makeup, it's like, wow, are those my teeth?
She's a lot more confident, she's happy at work, she's getting married, she's excited about her wedding pictures. She says to me that her friends always tell her that something has changed about her, that she's a happier person. The most important thing is what's inside, it shows.
I feel great, I'm confident, I'm living the world, going out, smiling all over the place, and yeah, you can definitely see it in pictures now. I went to Hawaii with my fiance, and you can really tell that I had a great time there.
The confidence that Veronica has got from this new smile it shows through her professional demeanor now. She's in customer service, she goes to work, she smiles at people, she dresses more professionally, she holds her head up, she's happy to go to work, she feels so much better about herself. That's what it's all about.
Dr. Eddie's great. He knew what I wanted. He worked at it. He's very great. Like, he knew what to do. He told me what to expect, and everything he told me to expect, it's great. It's worked out. It has actually brought my life to the better. He told me that I'd be more confident, and that's like, I thought I had confidence before, but now it really comes out now. I think on a spiritual level, I definitely have gone through a big change, because now it's like I'm a new person. It's kind of like a reincarnation type of thing, I once was, really shy, really quiet. Now I'm just outgoing, great, loving to smile.
I think that Veronica really feels beautiful now because of her smile, and I'm very proud to have given that to her, to have given that confidence to her. There is not a value you can put on that, and it gives me a lot of pleasure to look at my patient's smile, to look at Veronica's smile, and to give her that confidence that she always wanted to have in her life. And it was achieved so easily, just in 2 visits. Think about it. You all your life you look in front of the mirror and you're thinking, something's missing. Well, just get there and do it. It's very simple. It only takes 2 visits. It's painless, it's easy, and the results are amazing.
I love my smile.